Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Angelina Dominic Roderick and you're watching She Wear Nearly.
And on we'll
Starting this video, if you guys are new, don't forget to hit the like button. Also, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon right beside it so you guys are notified whenever I upload a new video. Let's go! Today's video is about our very favorite topic, and that is Nykaa sale haul. So today's video might help you guys to know which products you should buy, which products you shouldn't, and also which products like are on sale and stuff like that. So the first product we have here is this Clinique Moisture Surge. This gives you 72-hour hydration. I don't know about 72-hour hydration, but whenever I apply this gives me a good, like I have a very dry skin, so I feel my skin being hydrated whenever I use this. I don't know about 72 hours though, but let's see. It's only been a few days since I'm using it. This is the cute little bottle it comes in. I love these gel-like formula. It's my most favorite. Like, can you guys see this? Oh my god, I just love this. Like, the formula is so good. Look at this. It's so satisfying too, and this is my most favorite purchase. So guys, all these products will be linked down in description, and also I will be mentioning the prices here as soon as I show you guys the product, like side by side. Next product is this Maybelline the Hyper Curl Easy Wash Mascara. So I already have a mascara from Maybelline, and all these mascaras are just amazing. The Maybelline company makes the best mascaras, and this is the yellow one. This is known as the Colossal Volume Express Mascara, and this also works like amazing. If you are a beginner, you must invest in this, and this is really amazing. But I also wanted to try another mascara of the same company because Maybelline is amazing. It's working so good as a drugstore company. And look at this one. I am so excited to try this. This is the Hyper Curl Mascara. It curls your lashes even more than that one, and that is only extreme. So I am just waiting to see how this one will work on me. I love this. I love all the products. I don't know how many times am I going to say this. Guys, so the next product is just as exciting, and that is the white kajal. There was a trend going on a lot of wearing these white kajals. I guess it's still going on, nude kajals, white eye pencils and stuff like that. So I got the Miss Claire Glimmer Sticks for eyes. It's in the shade Pearl White E14. So this is how it looks. I'm just so excited to try this. I'll just give you guys a quick swatch. It is very pigmented. I am so excited to do so many looks with it. So we updated. It was pretty cheap. So it's Miss Claire is a very good brand. You can invest in their lip pencils, eye pencils, and yeah, they have been used by our moms too. So this is like generation proven. So yeah, surely invest in this if you want a good liner, eyeliner and stuff like that. Guys, until now I didn't have the Nykaa brand products, so I thought I would invest in a Nykaa brand product and see how it works on me. Especially their lip liners and liquid lipsticks. I don't have many lip liners and I wanted to invest in a good lip liner, so what's better than this, right? So this is the Nykaa Lips Don't Lie Line and Fill Lip Liner, and I'm so excited to try these products. I am just going to say that all of these are my favorites because all of these are the products that I wanted. So this is the lip liner, and this is in the shade, where is the shade? Yeah, it's in the shade Birthday Suit. So this is how this product looks. This is the shade. It's a lovely nude shade, and the best part was that I got with this, similar to the same shade, I got this lipstick free, like such a big lipstick free. And there is a downfall coming soon. I will be telling you guys soon. But as of now, this is a good news. I've got this lipstick free with the lip liner. And this shade is Squad 50, no 05, sorry. This is the Nykaa Get Set Matte Demi Matte Lip Cream. This is how the packaging is. I can't believe I got this product for free with the lip liner, and this was a very good deal. This is how this product looks. I love the packaging. And as I told you guys that this is my first like liquid lipstick from Nykaa. Yeah, this I just remembered. This is the downfall, and that is the applicator is Teda, and when it came first I was just wishing that ये टूटना नहीं चाहिए, बट ये टूटा नहीं, ये निकला, बट बहुत टाइम के बाद निकला. लाइक कैन यू गाइज सी दिस? आई एम लिटरली पुलिंग इट. आई डोंट वांट टू पुल इट टू बैडली, बट लाइक दिस इज इट. लाइक दिस इज द प्रॉब्लम. प्रॉबेबली ये क्लियरेंस में रहेगा या ऐसा कुछ, इसके लिए फ्री आया है. सी, आप देख सकते हो, इट्स टेढ़ा, इट्स लिटरली टेढ़ा. एंड दिस इज अ ब्यूटिफुल कलर बाय द वे. This is a very beautiful color. I love the shade, and this is very close. Please tootna nahi. So this is a very close shade. A very close shade. So I really like this. This is a little like a brownish pink undertone, like a brownish pink undertone, and this is a pink mauve shade, if I'm not wrong. Pink mauve shade, but a little bright, a very little bright. So this is the downfall. This is a lipstick, and by Nykaa is the Nykaa Matte to Last Janvi shade, mini liquid lipstick. I understand mini, but so many like I was really not happy with this product. I had seen this product, I had seen this packaging like with my makeup artist, like one of my makeup artists. If you guys don't know, I'm a model. So in a shoot I had seen a makeup artist using this on me. और मुझे लगा like जैसे दिखता है उससे like थोड़ा कम रेट में रहेगा. And I didn't know when I was ordering this कि ये ऐसा होने वाला है और ये इतना छोटा होना है, and ये वो लिपस्टिक है. नहीं तो फिर मैं इसमें इन्वेस्ट बिल्कुल नहीं करती. And this is just a joke, like literally, like I got, wait, let me just show you guys. This is what I'm talking about. Like यहाँ पे तो आप लोगों को बड़ा ही दिख रहा रहेगा, but look at this. This is the size of it. Can you guys see? And इसके लिए it was $299 or something like that, and I paid I think around $214, $215, $210, something like that for this. And I am not happy with this because I paid for this, and literally I got this lipstick free with the lip liner. Can you guys see the size and the difference? Like just look at this. I am not happy with this product. Shade Janvi is pretty good. I'll just show you guys a small swatch, and yeah. This is the shade. It's a light pink, nudish light pink. I like this lipstick a lot. I liked it on the site also, and that's why I obviously bought it, but I was not happy with the size of it. Like, what is this, Nykaa? Like, literally. So the next product that I got is this product, and that is the Get Ink from Nykaa. I'm sorry for the ulta showing. So this is the product, and it is in the shade 01. It's complete black, and yeah, I have used this product for this look and also the look I did for my introduction video. If you guys haven't seen that, it's a very foxy kind of a look, and this is how it looks. I'm pretty much happy with this product. I've used this and I am very happy with this product. It is a very good buy, a very good product for all the beginners out there. Like if you are just learning, and you can make a perfect wing out of this. This is a very good product. It makes a perfect wing, like you guys can see. So the next product is this Maybelline Master Chrome by Face Studio Metallic Highlighter Illuminator, and this is a very good highlighter. Like you guys can see on my nose, that's shining. So this is that highlighter, and मैंने इसे try किया है for my look on the foxy eye look that I did on my introduction video. So I have tried this, and the bad part is that मैंने इसका टेप निकाल दिया, तो ये सामने से थोड़ा गंदा हो गया है. और जब मैं इसे खोल रही थी, द डाउनफॉल ऑफ दिस इज दैट, जब मैं इसे खोल रही थी ये इतने इजीली खुल नहीं रहा था, बहुत जाम था. एंड आई वाज ओपनिंग एंड देन दिस हैपेंड. लाइक मेरा पूरा थंब उसमें अंदर चला गया, and this happened and I'm so sad about it, like literally so sad about it. I loved the way this thing was. like मैं इसे ना अगले 7-8 महीने तक मैं ये शेप नहीं जाने देती, you know. and then this happened and I was so sad about it. पता नहीं किसकी गलती है, या I don't know, maybe the Maybelline company, like you know, you should have made a really good packaging, because this is very irritating. like when you have to pull this, it's very irritating. so कभी कभी ये बहुत जाम हो जाता है, या पता नहीं तभी बस आया था इसके लिए वो इतना जाम था, या I don't know. so yeah, I'll just show you. this is a very good shade though. जगह ही नहीं है. Can you guys see that? It's amazing, like literally amazing. Can you guys see my face? Yeah, this is this. So I would really recommend you guys to use this highlighter and buy this highlighter. And literally for beginners, if you want to invest in a good product, and it should be like a high-end product, and you know it should be a good product, so this drugstore product will do the game for you. Maybelline, I'm literally in love with you. So yeah, this is my favorite. Everything is my favorite. All of these products are my favorite.
So guys, this is my most favorite product. Like literally, I guess Clinique wala also, the Moisture Surge is also my favorite, like most favorite product. But I don't think anything can beat this. And this is the one. If you guys are a beginner, or like anyone, like literally anyone, how can you not love this product? It is the Revolution X Tammy, and she is a YouTuber, and she collaborated with Revolution for this product. If you guys don't know, Revolution collabs with different beauty influencers, models and stuff like that. So this is that, and look at this packaging. Packaging देख के तो आप लोग समझ ही गए होंगे कि this is going to be a colorful palette, and a literally colorful palette, and its name is Tropical Carnival Shadow Palette. It is related to the place she was born and stuff like that. So this is a very tropicalish, colorish shades in this, and I am so excited. Like I literally like experimenting, and this was the first time I would be like experimenting with such bright colors. I have a color palette, and I would like to tell you guys that Revolution is a very good brand. In 1000 you get these amazing palettes. I also have one more palette, and I guess I will buy more because these palettes are amazing. Please sponsor me, Revolution. So yeah, this is the packaging. These are all the shade names behind.
So this product is even cruelty free and vegan, and also it lasts for 12 months. It's been given here, and I love this. That comes in a reflective plastic, as you guys can see. This is so beautiful. So this is the product. Like it's the same print as it is on the cover. And this is again the reflective plastic or what it is, I don't know, but this is amazing. Again the shade names.
When we open this, look at all these colors, guys. So this is the shade plastic, then all the shade names are written on this, and the shades are like Soca, Nothing Hill, Spiced Rum, Greens, Short Me, Destiny, Spice Island and stuff like that, Pink Panther. There are like all these shades. I'm just going to swatch some shades and show you guys. But before that, let me tell you guys, when you open this package, the first thing, this doesn't slip. Ask why? Because this is stuck here with a little like gum dots or something, I guess with glue gun. So that's the most annoying thing I think when it comes to eyeshadow palettes, blushes and all, when you open a new product and that just slips, and that's very annoying. So they have taken care of this, and yeah, it comes with a big ass mirror like you guys can use whenever you're doing your eyeshadow. It's very convenient, you know. And yeah, let's open this bad baby up. So yeah, this is the palette. It's a little bit gluier, but yeah, this is the palette. I haven't even touched it yet, and I'm going to show you guys some swatches. But let me tell you guys, let me give you a deep like kind of review. So the first shade here is this lime greenish yellow, which can be paired up with this bright yellow. There's also a burnt orange type of shade, but it's a little brighter. And there's a red, which can be easily mixed up and created a look with this. And there's a green for a green. There is a tealish blue. You can use it with a blue. You can use this blue with a blue. And these shades are like when you look at this palette, like you get the look of, you can create so many looks with it. And it's like, it is a very convenient palette because you don't have to use another palette for some other color, because all the colors that are like mix match or like suiting each other is in this palette itself. So yeah, that's the first reason I love this palette. And second of all, look at the colors. Look at this. I'm going to show you guys some of the swatches, and I'm first going to take this orange, probably this for the shimmer shade, and what's calling my name? I guess this lime green yellow. And I've like slightly picked them up. Like, can you guys see this? I'm going to take one more matte shade just to show you guys, like this purple right here. Like, can you guys see this? And this is the shade. I'll show you a little bit more of this purple. Can you guys see that? I don't want to dig in more, because I just want to keep this palette as it is. I don't know, I'm not even going to use it. I just love it so much. Can you guys see this? It's beautiful. So yeah, these were the swatches.
So if you guys want me to try a look, create a look using this palette and giving my first impression, let me know in the comment section down below, and I will be like really very happy to do that. This was the palette, and that was a very pigmented ending to this video, to this haul from Nykaa. But there's also one more product that I want to show you guys. Can you see this? I am in love with this pigment. Next product that I'm going to show you guys, it's not from Nykaa, but it is from Purplle, and there's a downfall to that because of why it's not from Nykaa. I will share that story with you guys after sharing this product. So this is the product. This is the beauty blender from Giorgio Professional.
This is the product. This is the beauty blender I ordered from Purplle, and I'm really proud of this beauty blender. It's quite big, quite soft, like this is damp, and it's very soft, very very gentle. I really want to try this and give you guys my first impression. Also, not only the eyeshadow palette, but if you guys want me to create a look or try these products for my first impressions, let me know. I will love to do that and show you guys how these products work on me, and I'll give you live review on it, and also the story behind why I had to get this beauty from Purplle and not from Nykaa is because I wanted to buy a beauty blender from Nykaa's beauty blender. But the thing that happened was like this products I had taken it before, and then the Nykaa's beauty blender, somehow got cancelled, and I don't know why that beauty blender got cancelled on its own. And all these products I've got it together, right? So they weren't taking orders below 500, subtotal of 500. So all these products that I got together was a much higher total than the much higher total. So like I got it for cash on delivery and I did the payment, and the payment also on cash on delivery was you have to buy products above 1500, and that's only when they're going to give you cash on delivery. That was an irritating thing. Understand that was for safety reasons, but then बस 1000 पे कैश ऑन डिलीवरी लो ही मत ना, बस 1500 पे तुम कैश ऑन डिलीवरी लाइक लोगे एंड ओनली 1500 के ऊपर जाएगा तो ही तुम अपनी लाइफ का रिस्क लोगे, दैट काइंड ऑफ मैसेज यू आर सेंडिंग इंस्टेड ऑफ दैट कैश ऑन डिलीवरी लो ही मत ना. So that was very irritating. And then what happened is my beauty blender, Nykaa beauty blender was for 425 and वो मेरे को अलग से बाय करना पड़ रहा था. So मैं अलग से बाय कर रही हूँ तो like they were not giving cash, they were not selling only the product. Cash on delivery तो छोड़ो, they were not selling only the product if it is not above 500, if it's not above the subtotal of 500. So like इसका subtotal हो रहा था 425 and then tax add करके it was becoming to something 465 or something like that. So वो लोग अगर सब टोटल 500 नहीं होगा तो वो लोग ऑर्डर ही नहीं लेंगे. दैट वाज द थिंग. दैट वाज वेरी इरिटेटिंग एंड दैट्स द रीजन आई गॉट माय ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर फ्रॉम पोर्टल. आई एम रियली प्राउड ऑफ दिस ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर. बस नायका वो एक चीज़ वो एक चीज़ नायका का वाज द डाउनफॉल. ऑल्सो ये हमारा छोटू राम इज द डाउनफॉल. एंड या द एप्लीकेटर ऑफ दिस, आई एम रियली हैप्पी दैट दिस केम फ्री दो, बट द एप्लीकेटर वाज ब्रोकन नायका. So yeah, वैसे तो I buy all my products from Nykaa. Nykaa is a very good brand, but कुछ चीज़ें हैं like कोई भी ब्रांड का हर एक चीज़ परफेक्ट नहीं होती है, I understand. But मेरे को कभी प्रॉब्लम नहीं हुई Nykaa से, but this was the first time मेरे को प्रॉब्लम हुई है. Probably because this was a sale, तो शायद क्लियरेंस एंड ऑल में वो लोग ने टूटा हुआ एप्लीकेटर दे दिया. एंड ये तो मेन प्रॉब्लम था. Nykaa प्लीज स्टॉप मेकिंग these and calling these mini, call these mini minis because these are literally mini minis. So that is the only problem and nothing else. Thank you so much for being until the end of this video if you guys are here until now. And yeah.
So guys, if you guys like this video, so don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also hit the subscribe button if you guys are new here, and also hit the bell icon right besides it so you guys get notified every time I post a new video. I will keep making videos like this. I will be posting every Tuesday and Saturdays. I will at least try. And yeah, if you guys found this video a little informative, helpful, do leave a comment below. बहुत अच्छा लगेगा. And also share it with your friends and family. So और ज़्यादा support मिले मुझे, बहुत help होगी. Thank you so much. I will be motivated to create such more good videos for you guys. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Stay happy, stay cute.